Welcome to Guarda Wallet versus Exodus. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare two popular cryptocurrency wallets, Guarda and Exodus, focusing on their features, user experience, security, and who each wallet is best suited for. Guarda Wallet is a multi-currency, non-custodial wallet designed for users who need a secure, versatile solution for managing a wide range of digital assets. It supports over 50 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins, and is available on mobile, desktop, and web platforms. Guarda provides users full control over their private keys, ensuring they maintain ownership of their assets. It also offers integrated exchange services, staking, and hardware wallet compatibility, making it a one-stop solution for both beginners and experienced users. The wallet's clean interface and seamless experience make it a strong contender for those looking to manage multiple assets securely. Exodus, on the other hand, is another highly regarded non-custodial wallet, known for its user-friendly design and ease of use. It supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and is available on desktop and mobile. One standout feature of Exodus is its built-in exchange, which allows users to trade cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet, offering a convenient experience. Additionally, Exodus includes portfolio tracking, making it easy to view your holdings' value in real time. While Exodus also emphasizes security with private key control, its key management is slightly less advanced compared to Guarda, which may be a consideration for users who prioritize enhanced security. In conclusion, Guarda Wallet is better suited for those looking for a more feature-packed, multi-asset wallet with advanced security features and the option for hardware wallet integration. Exodus shines in simplicity and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners who want a straightforward crypto wallet with built-in exchange functionality. Ultimately, both wallets have their strengths, but your choice should depend on your specific needs, whether you prioritize advanced features and security or simplicity and user experience. Check the links in the description for more details.